In this video, I'll guide you through how to add an avatar to your Steam profile. Whether you're looking to express yourself with a custom image or showcase your favorite game character, updating your avatar is a great way to personalize your profile. Let's dive into the steps to make it happen. First, open your preferred web browser and head over to store.steampowered.com. Once you're there, sign in to your Steam account. You'll find the sign in option at the top right corner of the page. After logging in, look for your public profile name or your current avatar icon, which is also located at the top right corner. Click on it to access your profile page. Now that you're on your profile page, focus your attention on the right side of the screen. Do you see the button that says Edit Profile? Go ahead and click on that. This will take you to your profile settings where you can make various changes to how you present yourself on Steam. On the left-hand side of the settings menu, you'll see several tabs. Click on the one labeled Avatar. This is where you can choose or upload the image that will represent you on Steam. You have a couple of options here. If you want to use your own custom image, look for the button that says Upload Your Avatar. Click on it, and it will open a file browser window on your computer. Navigate to the folder where your desired image is stored. Keep in mind that the image should be in JPG, JPEG, or PNG format. Once you've found the image you want to use, select it and click Open. Your chosen image will then start loading into the preview window. Alternatively, if you'd rather use an official game image, scroll down to the section titled Game Avatars. Here you'll find a selection of characters and logos from the video games you own. Pick the one that resonates with you the most. Once the image is loaded into the preview window, you have the option to adjust it. Click and drag the corners of the cropping square to frame your picture just the way you want it. This ensures that your avatar looks perfect and is centered as you like. After you're satisfied with how your avatar looks, scroll all the way to the bottom of the page. You'll see a blue Save button. Click on it to finalize your changes. And that's it. You've successfully updated your Steam avatar. By following these straightforward steps, you can easily personalize your profile and make it stand out. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Happy gaming!